Okay, welcome to the Fragments Color-By Numbers assignment. So I'm guessing since you're here, you read my instructions and they didn't make sense, which is okay because I made them up and I don't always make sense. So here is a visual aid to help you figure out what's going on with this assignment. So first things first, open up the Fragments Color-By Numbers assignment. You should already be on it if you found the link to this video. And you're going to open up these two documents right here. So first, this worksheet right here, and second, this coloring page. So the worksheet you can leave right here on Canvas because you don't have to type on this, so you can leave it right here. You just need to be able to see it. The coloring page you'll probably want to leave up, and you're going to want to download it to your computer. So make sure that you download it to your computer as well, and then just hold on to that. You don't need to open it, but leave these two tabs up. So you can see I've got both of these, the Color by Numbers worksheet and the coloring page. You're going to want to leave both of those up for this assignment. So if you are not printing out this assignment, if you were doing this on the computer, then you're going to need a piece of paper, a piece of scrap paper, or like a Word doc, a Google Doc, and you're going to number your paper 1 to 15 because there are 15 problems on this worksheet. So you want to number your paper 1 to 15. And then you're going to open up this link right here in a new tab. You're going to come to this very colorful children's website called Scrap Coloring. I had to search far and wide for this website, but it works. So we're going to do choose file. And wherever you saved that coloring page to, whether it's your downloads, your desktop, figure out where you saved it to and click on it and hit open. It's going to upload it to the website, but you see it didn't do anything yet. You're going to keep the type on black and white drawing because it's going to make it look more like a coloring page, and then you're going to hit submit. Once you hit submit, you'll see that it makes this coloring page for you that you can actually color, which is pretty cool, I think, anyway. So this allows you to actually color along with on the worksheet with us. I know it makes some of the numbers really hard to read. I tried a lot of different workarounds yesterday and I couldn't get it perfect. This was the best that I could get it. So that's why I said to leave the coloring page open in another tab. That way you could see the numbers and kind of look back and reference what number the different shapes are. So do your best with that. I know it won't be perfect because it's kind of hard to translate this to an online activity, but just do your best. I wanted to give you the opportunity to still be able to color as you did this. Okay. So to do the actual work of this assignment, the reason I said that if you're doing this online totally and not printing it out, that you should have like a scrap piece of paper, is I think the easiest way to do it is to, as you answer the questions 1 through 15, write down the colors that correspond with your answer. So if you think number 1 is ing fragments, then next to number 1 on your paper, you'll write purple because that's the color that goes with that answer. And if you think number 2 is to be a complete thought, then you would write green next to number 2. So that way, when you go over here to color, you already have your key and you already know that number 1 is purple, and so you'll color everything that has a number 1 purple. And you know that 2 is green, so you'll color everything that has a number 2 green. Those are not the answers to number 1 and number 2, just by the way. But anyway, that's how the activity kind of works. So you'll number your paper 1 through 15, write the colors next to it that correspond with your answers as you answer the worksheet. Colors can repeat themselves. Notice that colors may be used more than once. There's 15 questions. I think there's only like 8 colors, 7 or 8 colors that I used. So what colors will repeat themselves, so just be ready for that. Don't think it's wrong just because you already used that color. And yeah, make your key. So you'll have 1 through 15 with colors next to them, and then you can go start coloring your picture on here. Of course, if you're printing out this assignment, then you're just going to be doing this on paper, and that's totally fine. Once you're done with the assignment, if you're doing it digitally, there's a couple different things that you can do. You can hit the save button and it'll prompt you to save it. It might open it up in like a second window and then you might have to right click on it and hit save. Or what you can do is take a screenshot or a picture of your colored in page and upload that to Canvas along with your worksheet where you typed all your answers. So you'll be uploading both of those documents to Canvas as soon as you're done. You'll just upload them to this assignment by clicking Submit Assignment. So if you're having trouble saving this, let me know. But if all else fails, just take a screenshot or take a picture of your screen with your phone and you can upload it that way.